Today, I want to tell you a story, not about a famous English speaker or a celebrity, but about someone just like you. Someone who wanted to speak English fluently, but didn't know where to begin. They were shy, unsure, and constantly worried about making mistakes. Have you ever felt stuck while trying to speak English? Like the words are in your head, but they just won't come out? You freeze, panic, and end up staying silent. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. And more importantly, you're not hopeless. In this video, I'm going to give you a full step-by-step guide on how you can start speaking English fluently in just 30 days. Yes, 1 month. No, it's not a magic trick, but it is absolutely possible with the right methods and commitment. So, grab a notebook, hit that like button, and let's turn your English learning journey into a real success story. It's not about being the best. It's about being better than you were yesterday. Before we jump into the actual steps, we need to talk about something even more important, your mindset. Fluency doesn't begin with grammar. It begins with confidence. You don't need to know every rule to start speaking. In fact, kids learn to speak before they learn grammar, right? The biggest block most learners face is not lack of vocabulary, it's fear. Fear of being wrong, of sounding silly, of being judged. Let me tell you something. Making mistakes is not just okay, it's essential. It means you're learning. So from today, promise yourself, I will speak English every day. And I don't care if I make mistakes. That's the mindset of a fluent speaker. Now, let's get practical. In week 1, your mission is to build a strong base. Start by learning the 100 most commonly used English words and phrases. The only way to learn to speak is to start speaking. These are the building blocks of conversation. Words like go, have, do, want, and phrases like how are you? Or I don't understand. Trust me, these are powerful. Use flashcards, apps, or just good old pen and paper. But don't stop at just learning. Use them. Speak out loud. Say, I want coffee, or I have a pen, even if no one's around. This gets your brain and mouth working together. Also, begin immersing yourself in English audio. Listen to podcasts, watch YouTube videos, or movies with subtitles. Pay attention to how words sound, the rhythm of the sentences, the emotion in the tone. Your brain learns patterns faster than you think, especially when you're having fun. Welcome to week 2. This is where things get exciting. You're going to start speaking every single day. And I mean it, every day. Set a timer for just 5 or 10 minutes and talk. Talk to yourself. Talk to your dog. Talk to the mirror. It might feel strange, but it's powerful. This is how actors practice their lines. Why not you? Use the shadowing technique. Listen to a short sentence from a native speaker and repeat it immediately after, mimicking their tone and pronunciation. This technique alone can work wonders for your accent and fluency. Record yourself speaking. Then, listen back and ask, does this sound natural? What can I fix? You become your own coach. Now that you're more comfortable speaking, it's time for week 3, where we build your vocabulary and dive into real conversations. Choose topics that interest you: food, travel, technology, relationships, business, whatever excites you. Learn 10 to 15 new words a day around those themes. This makes your English more personal and useful. Then, start having real conversations. Yes, with real people. Use apps like HelloTalk, Tandem, or join English speaking groups on social media. Even a 10-minute conversation daily can do wonders. Don't worry about being perfect. Just be present. If someone doesn't understand, say it again slowly. If you forget a word, describe it. That's how real conversations work. Also, start copying scenes from your favorite movies or shows. Pause a line, repeat it, act it out. Not only will you sound more natural, but you'll also learn how English is used, not just how it's taught. By now, you're ready for week 4, the Fluency Sprint. This week is all about immersion. That means surrounding yourself with English as much as possible. Change your phone settings to English. Write your daily journal in English. Label things in your room. Think in English. For example, instead of thinking main pani pai raha hoon, try I am drinking water. Start using English as your default language, even inside your mind. You'll be surprised how quickly your brain adapts when it realizes, hey, this is the language we need to function now. Join live Zoom speaking clubs or practice groups. Engage in role-play scenarios. Speak as if you already are fluent. And soon, you will be. Tell me and I forget. Teach me and I remember. Involve me and I learn. Benjamin Franklin. Here's a simple daily routine to follow throughout the 30 days. 1. 10 minutes. Review flashcards or learn new words. 2. 10 minutes. Listen to a podcast or video and shadow it. 3. 20 minutes. Practice speaking, mirror talk, role play, or talk to a partner. 4. 10 minutes. Watch a scene from a movie and copy it. 5. 10 minutes. Write something in English, your journal, a summary, or a social media post. Just 1 hour a day, consistently, and you'll feel the difference by day 10 and see real fluency by day 30. Let me quickly share some amazing tools that make your journey easier. For vocabulary, Anki, Quizlet, or Memrise. For speaking practice, Tandem, HelloTalk, Cambly, or even ChatGPT. For listening, BBC Learning English. The English We Speak, ESL Pod. For fun, watch channels like English with Lucy, Speak English with Mr. Duncan, or even native English vloggers. Surround yourself with real, natural English. You become fluent not by remembering words, but by using them. So, here's the truth. You don't need to be perfect to be fluent. You just need to start. Speak a little every day. Keep learning. Keep practicing. The 30-day challenge isn't about becoming Shakespeare. It's about unlocking your voice, your confidence, and your power to connect. English fluency is not a dream. It's a skill. And like any skill, it gets better with practice. Small daily improvements are the key to staggering long-term results. Robin Sharma. So, that's your 30-day path to English fluency. Don't wait. Don't overthink. Just start speaking today. Mistakes will happen, but so will progress and confidence and clarity. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Zig Ziglar. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more English learning tips, and leave a comment sharing your day one goal. I believe in you, and I can't wait to hear your success story. Until next time, keep learning, keep speaking, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself. We hope you found this content inspiring and helpful in your English learning journey. Until next time, keep learning, stay inspired, and remember, use the tools around you and create the environment that builds your success. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.